Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn useful English vocabulary for daily use. Dwell. To live in a place or to think or talk a lot about something. I dwell in a small town near the mountains. Let's not dwell on the past. It's time to move forward. Earnest. Serious and sincere in intention or effort. You should make an earnest attempt to learn a new language. His earnest apology was heartfelt. Compel. To force someone to do something. The circumstances compelled me to take action. I felt compelled to speak up against injustice. Insist. To demand something forcefully, not accepting refusal. I insist that you stay for dinner. She insists on doing things her own way. Convince. To persuade someone to do something. He finally convinced me to try sushi. She convinced her parents to let her go to the concert. Provoke. To deliberately annoy or anger someone. I didn't mean to provoke you, it was just a joke. His comments provoked a strong reaction from the audience. Concern. A feeling of worry, or something that is important to you. There is no cause for concern. Your health is my main concern. Heed. To pay attention to take notice of. You should have heeded the warnings. It's important to heed the advice of experienced professionals. Grant. To give or allow someone something they ask for or want. Could you please grant me access to the document? Please grant me permission to go home. Affect. To have an influence on or cause a change in something. The rainy weather affected our plans for a picnic. His words deeply affected her emotions. Circumstances. The conditions or situation affecting a person or thing. Due to financial circumstances, we had to postpone our vacation. I understand your circumstances, so I'll try to help as much as I can. Concept. An idea or principle. The concept of love is different for everyone. I struggle to understand the concept of quantum physics. Apparent. Easily seen or understood, obvious. Your disappointment is apparent from your facial expression. It's apparent that she doesn't want to talk about it. Intend. To have a plan or purpose to do something. I intend to finish this project by the end of the week. He didn't intend to hurt your feelings. It was just a misunderstanding. Evident. Clearly seen or understood, obvious. His dedication to his work was evident in the quality of his output. The damage to the car was evident after the accident. Obtain. To get or acquire something, usually through effort. Where can I obtain a copy of the report? She obtained a scholarship to study abroad. Instance. A specific example or case of something. In this instance, I'll make an exception. There have been several instances of theft in the neighborhood recently. Temper. To moderate or control, to adjust. You need to learn to temper your reactions. She couldn't temper her excitement when she received the good news. Humble. Having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's importance. She is a humble person despite her success. He accepted the award with humble gratitude. Keen. Having or showing eagerness or enthusiasm. She's very keen to start her new job. He's a keen supporter of environmental conservation. Despair. The complete loss or absence of hope. She fell into despair after losing her job. There's no need to despair, we'll find a solution. Justify. To show or prove to be right or reasonable. He tried to justify his actions, but no one believed him. The company justified the price increase with improved product quality. Contempt. The feeling that somebody or something does not deserve any respect or is worthless, or without value. He looked at her with contempt. She spoke of her opponent with contempt. Dispatch. To send off something or someone to a destination. Please dispatch the package as soon as possible. The firefighters were dispatched to the scene of the accident.